Hi guys, welcome back. So today is kind of a special video. Last video when I talked about the Beiges collection, I asked if you guys wanted to see a tutorial on the eyeshadows and I got a lot of you guys saying yes, which totally stoked about. And then to make things even more exciting, this is going to be my first collab video with Erin Nicole. Erin does have her own channel here on YouTube, like obviously. I had been watching her videos for a minute, pretty much around the time I started working for Chanel. Her videos started popping up into my newsfeed, which, you know, funny enough, like right when I started, like they started popping up into my newsfeed. So I got hooked onto her. We, you know, started corresponding with each other, and together we decided that this was going to be a good opportunity for our first collab video with each other. So when she reached out to me about this collab video idea, it was perfect because so many of you guys had requested that I do a tutorial on it. And so today I will be doing the tutorial on the light palette. So it's the one that has more purple hues, and she is going to be doing the dark palette, the one with the brown hues. So that way you guys get two videos, two tutorials to enjoy. And I mean, I'm pretty sure if you're watching my channel, you've seen hers, because if I remember correctly, she used to be a counter manager at Chanel at her counter, and she's been promoted recently. Not recently, I think it's been about a year. I sound like such a stalker, but yeah, I think she's been promoted to beauty stylist, so she's definitely still in love with Chanel, but I know she works with other brands now, and her channel is incredible. Like, if you haven't checked her out already, you should. She is body goals, hair goals, her voice is amazing. Like, she could literally just sit there and read an ingredients list off a shampoo bottle, and I would just sit there and listen, because she has literally the most captivating voice. I'm like, yes, 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 tell me more, yes. Like, it would be so dangerous if she and I worked together, because she could sell me on. She could be like, oh my god, look at this piece of paper, like, you need it. I'll be like, yeah, I need it. So go ahead and hop onto her channel after you're done watching this one, so you guys can see how we decided to play with both of these palettes to execute these eye looks. So like I said, the one that I worked on is the light palette, the one with the purple hues, and I love this one. I love purple on brown eyes because it's really complimentary, and just something about purples, it pulls out the gold flecks in our eyes. It's just very flattering. It's like my form of neutral. Like, if someone said natural, this is my natural. And I actually know a lot of people that are scared of purples. Don't be scared of purples. Very wearable, very easy. But yeah, stay tuned if you want to learn how to achieve this look right here. And then afterwards, hop onto Erin's channel. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let's hop in. Okay guys, I already have my concealer, powder, bronzer, eyebrows on. I am gonna start with the pink, pretty pink color, and I'm gonna dust it pretty much all over my lid. That's gonna be my transition color. Also, I'm sorry I sound a little funny. I'm trying to get over a cold, and it has been kicking my butt, so that's why I sound weird. But I'm just going in with a fluffy brush, and I am putting it all over my crease, and I'm even bringing it down to my eyelid. This is just literally my transition color. It's gonna help all the other colors blend out better, and it just kind of lays down the initial tone for the entire look. And I'm just going in with a blank fluffy brush. It has no product in it. I am just going to be going in with this throughout the entire look. With every eyeshadow that I lay down, I just go back in with it. Like I said, no product on it, and I just use it to buff up my eyeshadow. Then I'm going in with the light purple eyeshadow, and I am going to run that pretty much right over where I put the pink eyeshadow, except I'm going to keep it a little lower. So with a fluffier, denser brush, I'm going to be applying it until I blend it out to the consistency that I like. And then I'm going to take a baby brush, and I am going to take that same color, and I am going to run it across my lower lash line. I did it with the pink color too. It's literally just for balance. Then I'm going in with the deepest purple shade. It's kind of like an eggplant, and I am going to keep this color really low, and I'm going to keep on the outer V of my eyes because I want the most concentration of shadow, and I want it to be the darkest on the outer corner of my eyes because I really like how it makes the shape of my eye just a little more almond, a little more elongated. So I'm going to keep it really close to my lash line and blend it upwards to where the crease is. And then I'm gonna go in with the baby brush again and just run it across my lower lash line. That same dark purple eyeshadow, and it's literally just for balance, because what you do to the top, you do to the bottom. At least that's the rule that I follow, just so that you don't look too top heavy or too bottom heavy. It just kind of gives your eyes a perfect amount of balance, and I'm bringing it in pretty much a little more than halfway. Now we're gonna go in with that pretty silvery shade with a flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm gonna put it in all the blank space, so in the inner 2/3 of my eye, and it's just gonna help make my eyes look a little more round than flat. It's gonna give my eye a little more dimension. Then I'm gonna go in with the lightest kind of lavender pinky shade, and I'm just gonna take a little bit and just layer it right on the ball of my eye, so right in the center of my eyelid, and that is gonna give my eyes even more dimension, and it's gonna give it more of a round shape. And then I'm just gonna finish up this look with liquid eyeliner. I'm using the Stila one. You could use any one that you like. The Stila one just happens to be the one that I have on hand. And I'm going to rim my bottom lash line with Terra Rosa. It's the Stilo U waterproof eyeliner. If you guys can still find it, that would be awesome, but I believe it's discontinued, but Cassis will do just well. Any purple liner will do. And then I'm just gonna finish off this look with some mascara. I'm using the Giorgio Armani Eyes to Kill. It is hands down my favorite mascara because it is amazing. It holds curl, it's perfect. So that's what I'm using. You guys can use whatever you want. And your look is complete. A nice hazy purpley eyeshadow. Okay, so I just finished off with some blush and some highlight and just add a little more gloss to my lip, and I have like hairs on me. And this is your completed look, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Anyway, check out Erin's channel. She is so informative and she touches on other brands. She's super knowledgeable, so go check her out. She's amazing. And I hope you guys enjoy both of her tutorials. If you guys can, go ahead and follow me on Twitter because there's so many things happening at Nordstrom, like back to back. That's kind of like what Nordstrom's known for. Like we have event after event, and I want to be able to invite you guys to all of them. Like right now we're having Mascara Madness, which is coming soon, and that's buy 2 get 1 free mascaras of any of your choice. So that's coming soon, so I don't want you guys to miss out on that. So give my counter a call so that you guys don't miss out on anything. Follow me on Twitter so that I can easily like announce things to you guys, or follow me on Instagram so that I can announce things to you guys too, so you guys get like all my announcements and like anything, like any sales, any promotions, any gifts. Like follow me on my social media just so I can reach out to you guys more easily, because by the time an event rolls around and I want to inform you guys, because of the way I film, by the time like my video is uploaded, it doesn't really coincide with like any events that are happening. So I can't really, you know, talk about the events in each video because it doesn't really correspond with real life, because like the time I'm filming this, it could be literally like I film my videos like a month or 2 in advance, so you know it's kind of tricky for me. So follow me on my social media, whether it's Twitter or Instagram. It's always listed down below, just so you guys can get like more instant, you know, announcements. So reach out to me because I love hearing from you guys. Thank you so much for those who have stopped by the counter recently, who have called me recently. Like I really appreciate hearing from you guys, and you guys always make my day, like I said. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys again next time. Bye.